You're excited for this? Well done. Hi, Ashu. Say hi. Hi. Where are you? Today we are going to play and learn numbers and some wooden puzzles, okay?
Yeah.
Well done. She's excited all today with the numbers and puzzles. Yeah, that's a farmhouse with some animals. Shall we open our shoe? Well done. Okay, let's open. Oh, you want to open that first? Okay. Okay. Mommy's gonna help you. Okay. Yeah. You excited to learn? There's a house. Yay. Okay, let's do this first, okay? Can you put on the house, please? Can you put this here? Put the house here. Can you put this here? Okay, you want to do first cow? Okay. Put the cow here. Here. Cow. Put that here. Yeah, well done. No, not either. It's a cow. No? This is cow. Cow is here. There's a horse. Now. These goes here. Yeah, well done. That's a sheep. Pig here. Pig. No, first put them all, then back. Horse. Pig. Well done. Yay. You want to take them off again? Try again. Here. Well done. Very good. That's cow here. Cow there. Yes. Sheep. Well done. Nice big goes. Very good. Very good. The house goes there. Yay. Well done, Ashu. Oh, you want to take it off? Is there? I'll take them off. Yeah, sheep. Horse. Very good. And sheep goes back. Well done. And now the pig goes. Yes, pig. Cow. Very good. And the house there. Yay! Well done. High five. Very good. Shall we do this now? Very good. Okay. What number? 1, 2. I'm happy to take them off, yeah? Okay, say 1, 1, 1. Very good. The 2, 3 there. Well done. That's 6, yes. Well done. You like 6? 10. Ah, 10, 10. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Here. Very good. Well done. What's that? 5, 5 here. Very good. Number 7 there. Well done. 8, yes, very good. Well done, well done. This is 8. Okay, you're right. Yeah, very good. 2 here. 2, 4 there. Yay! Well done. High five. Very good. As you did the puzzles right, you're going to get an extra prize, okay? Shall we open the eggs? Very good. Okay, let me get the eggs for you, okay? You excited for the eggs? Well done. Oh, what you got? Panda. That's all right. Car! Yay! Well done. Let me see your car. Can you put the car here? Let me see your car. I want to see your car. Your car. I want to see the car. Yay! Okay, let me draw your car. Yay! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ashu, look here. Look here. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's play Ashu first. Let's play. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, let's see Ashu what you found. Okay, you want to open again, Uy. cars are she found in her surprise egg? Hot Wheels, the yellow one and the green one. And she found the panda and the baby. She's still playing with her eggs. Okay kids, see you in the next video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cutie Surprise Toys channel for more fun videos. Bye bye. See you in the next video.